gonna make a simple fruit salad another day. I got watermelon, which we all know that watermelon is very good in fruit salad, but basically, if you have what you have at home, please use it, all right? Look at that. Really amazing watermelon fruit salad today, all right? Secondly, I'll give you some tips and ideas how to do your watermelon. Cut off the two edges, simple, use a knife, and cut around it like this, all right? Put it straight inside of a big bowl. Whatever you have, please use it, all right? Watermelon fruit salad recipe from Chef Ricardo today. And it's so easy and simple. I got pear. So basically I'm just using what I have on my house at the moment. So, you know what I mean, just like you can do the same thing. Doesn't matter what you have, just use what you have, guys. Honestly. You know what I mean? I got a red apple. That's lovely and nice. Lovely. Also, kiwi, very good for you. I love kiwi. Kiwi is one of the best you could ever have. I'm just removing the skin off the kiwi. Alright. Oh, don't waste that juice. Yes, I need that. Kiwi is beautiful. Alright. Simple. Let's cut up your fruits. I got a plum. Remember, there's a seed in the plum, so you have to be careful. Let's take a little time. And, you know what I mean? Yeah. Nice one. That is just lovely. Alright, pomegranate. A lot of people doesn't know what is pomegranate. Pomegranate is really good for you. Yes, alright, I know. Pomegranate is good for you? Yeah. Alright, so I'm just gonna be using my knife. Don't do what I'm doing, guys, please. But I'm just giving you some ideas. If you beat the pomegranate like this, what you can do is, the juice start to come out. I didn't want that. Alright, look at that. That is just beautiful and amazing. Alright. So what you can also do, simple, just use a spoon or something and a simple click out the seed like this into your hand, the back of your spoon, and then it just come out really lovely and nice. Alright, and that is just lovely. That's the best way to remove the seed from the pomegranate, right here. Just use a spoon and just lick it out just like this. Alright, guys, now as I can see, half of it almost gone, so that's it. Not gonna be using any more of it, that's fine. Yeah, really beautiful one. So this is it right here. That's kind of simple. Just mix it up like this. Get my bowl. Honestly, guys, it's just fantastic and amazing. 100% the guys will love this one. So I'm just gonna simple shear it up. Ah man, look at this beautiful one. And honestly, you can just simple use what you have at home to make this, guys. Honestly, it is amazing. That is beautiful. I love it. Thank you for watching Chef Ricardo show. We got a lot more recipes and a lot more ideas will be coming from Chef Ricardo and the team. As you can see it for yourself, that is just amazing and simple recipe for you to make at home. Please enjoy it. If you like, subscribe, tell a friend, and a friend tell a friend. Stay tuned with Chef Ricardo. What is that?
Yeah, here's your drink. I was trying to have that little bit of juice, there's only a little bit left.
Oh no, but no, that's the best part of it.
Keeping, is it?
That's the best part of it. Don't throw it away. All right, this is just a red carpet I want.